I had left my peanuts. I had some sugar-coated peanuts, and I had left them on top of the picnic table with the lid on them. And last night there was a bunch of little armadillos and stuff like that wandering around, and I got up this morning and they had got my peanuts. Pushed. Hey guys, we came up here to Manatee Springs State Park in Chiefland, Florida, and that's where we're camped for a few days. And there is no Wi-Fi, there is no signal, cell signal.
Can't call out.
Can't call out. But maybe that's a good thing. Who knows? I don't know. I guess if we're supposed to be somewhere, God will still open that door, right?
That's right. Maybe we can spend a few days and seek the Lord and not worrying about phone calls and calling churches.
Right. So anyway, we're taking a walk on the boardwalk, and people actually swim in the water here. I had a friend named Randy who told me that anywhere in Florida that there's water, there's gators. And so therefore, I don't think I'm going to swim in the water.
Yeah, and then he said you can jump in that water though. There ain't no alligators.
He said no gators dive in. I don't know. I don't know.
Alrighty then.
We got these.
I don't know. I might
Yeah, you might could get
get
right
my
there.
shorts and get right there.
Those clay-colored big things in the water, those are manatee. There's 4 of them in there.
Yeah, I think there's 3 and a baby.
And he said the water stays 72 degrees.
Yeah, he did, yes.
Yeah. That's cool. Good morning, guys. We woke up here at Manatee Springs State Park, and it is pretty early in the morning and for us right now, and we woke up and I had left my peanuts. I had some sugar-coated peanuts, and I had left them on top of the picnic table with the lid on them. And last night there was a bunch of little armadillos and stuff like that wandering around, and I got up this morning and they had got my peanuts and opened the lid and ate all of them up. So the lesson is you can't leave any food, even with the lid, out here. They got them right off the top of the table and ate them up, boy. Ate every last one. This is our campground. We got babies coming up.
We're being walked up on.
Hey.
Sitting here just casually drinking coffee, and here they come.
I think that somebody's been feeding them and they're not supposed to.
Somebody's been feeding them babies, ain't they?
Yeah. If you want to see wildlife, come to Manatee Springs State Park in Florida. There's another one coming out of the woodwork there. This must be their morning spot. They said, "You're in my living room now."
We was up there at Miss Julie and Kick. Kick had a bunch of deer heads on his wall.
These are pretty babies.
And now we come down here and we got deer heads live and a walking.
In our campsite. Uh-oh, the doggy sees them. Look at the little baby. He says that I'm not going nowhere. He's so tiny.
Hope it's not a snapper, Julie.
These people swim. They swim in these waters. The steps lead down. And that's there. Yeah, let's go for a swim. Hey guys, we are pulling out of Manatee Springs State Park this morning, and our tour in Florida is complete. And we are headed north today, back up to Griffin, Georgia, Sunnyside, Georgia, and we'll be there for about a week before we head back out again to sing next weekend. So, and then after that, we're going to be headed to Tennessee. So anyway, we're pulling out. My recommendation is, if you want to stay at Manatee Springs State Park in Chiefland, Florida, then you will have to go without internet at your site. Now you can, and no cell service hardly. So get all your business taken care of beforehand. And if you have anything to do while you're here, you will need to go to Anderson's Outdoor Adventures down there at the springs, and they have good barbecue. They have good Wi-Fi, and not good enough to go live, but they have good Wi-Fi where you can check your stuff, and you can actually get a little bit of a cell service signal down there too. So anyway, we've saw lots of wildlife here at Manatee Springs State Park, more than at any park ever, and the armadillos are crazy. So, and anyway, so we are thankful today, and we are headed back up to Georgia, and we love you guys, and we'll see you on the flip side, I guess. Don't run into me.
You're still breathing.
There's still hope.